description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is a show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I'm excited to show you this one. This is Cielo Foods Birria ramen noodle soup. I've been waiting to get this one for a while, and I'm stoked. So let's see what we got here. We got something I enjoy, an individually wrapped noodle sachet, some oil, big liquid pouch, veg, and yes, a fork. I'm in the kitchen. I need not a fork today, but if I weren't, I would be excited to have said fork. It's Friday, the 29th day of, gosh, why do I want to say December? August 2025. Hope you're enjoying the winter. I think it's winter for you, isn't it? Should be. So there's that. Let's add our vegetable. Like so. Our liquid base. I'm pretty sure all their other stuff up till now that I've tried has been a powder base, so this is exciting. And I have to admit, as of yet, I don't know that I've found a Birria variety that I've been super keen on, but I guess we will see today what we end up with. I'm gonna guess from previous varieties that I've tried from these folks, it'll probably be pretty good. Okay, fill line, where are you? Uh-oh. It says fill the line. I'm gonna go with that line as the line. It seems logical. It's a line. I'm going with it. I don't really have any other options here. So here we go, and this is going to stay going for 3 minutes. So how the heck are you? It's weird here in this time and date. It's just insane. All in all, very insane. The world is crumbling. Yeah. And I hope that you are enjoying what you can enjoy when you can enjoy it. Let's see what's going on. Yesterday I went out and I got like 3 at the Dollar Tree, man. $1.25 for energy drinks, so I'm all stocked up. I ate one. I took in. It's a beverage. I drank a variety that had a what's his name, Mega Man on it, and then there's like ones with PewDiePie and ones with Sonic the Hedgehog. They're like 300 ml caffeine. I'm into that. I like the so. But yeah. And today it's Birria. I'm really I got my fingers crossed for you, man. I hope I love this one. And the smell coming out of this is quite nice, so I think I might be enthused, and enthusiasm is what we go for here at the Ramen Raider, and or on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. A lot of you don't know that there's a website that goes along with this. This is like the main push for me doing this was I started it with my older son Andy way back, but the idea was I would do a side shot. So you'd get a top-down shot and a side shot. And whether you watched this or not, when you looked at the post on www.theramenraider.com, you would see that the thumbnail nice and big, about the same width as the image of the top-down shot. So whether you watch it or not, you get another view of the product. So I don't know. It's an extra thing for me to do. I like doing it. It's worked out really well. So I had an old buddy text me the other day. I was like, hey, how's it going? We were talking about cameras and stuff, and he saw, I sent him one of a time lapse of birds at the thing, and he's all, ha ha ha, only 11 views. I gotta say, I really don't do this for views. I like it when my videos kind of get a slight bump and go crazy. I really like that. Don't get me wrong, but if they don't, then they don't. It's nothing I lose sleep over. And so many people seem to. And it's just like, get a grip. It's going to be okay. Yeah, the only line I saw was on the outside of the bowl, and it didn't say fill to this line. So that is kind of a thing. Ooh, look again. No, there's no line. But I'm going to treat that line that goes around it as the line. Wow, this looks really... Here, come look at this. This looks pretty beefy. Authentic. Alright, so we'll start with the noodle. By the way, I think these are made in... I don't know. They're not made in the US. They're packaged. They're made for the US. I don't think they're sold anywhere else at this point, but they're made by a external co-packer, which isn't really helpful with the current events right now. I'm sure that's going to be insane. If you want to make a killing right now, if you can do private label here in the United States, maybe for places that don't do like 30 trailers, then yeah, that probably would be a good thing at this exact point. Noodle is very light. Nice tension to it. Nice cue. Nice elasticity. And here is our broth. Pardon me. Well, I think he's done it. This has a really nice savory flavor to it. A little bits of veg going on in there. Yeah. I'm happy with that. That's good. Because so many times I've tried the Birria varieties companies are making, and they're bitter and funky and just... It's like, really? People like this? And this one is spot on. Actually, I think there was another one. I think I like the Tapatio one. But of all of them, I would say I like this one the best. This one's really quite nice. So lacking beef, I was thinking, what do I add in here that might seem something-y? And this is beef. I thought I would add beef sausage. I know, not your standard. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. I've been doing this really low cholesterol thing since my doctor said don't eat a whole bunch of cholesterol. And honestly, it's been like around, it's been really low. I can't remember what, I haven't really paid attention to the number, but everything I take in is really low. And yeah, so I don't eat any, I really don't eat hot dogs or sausages or anything like that these days. So that was like a nice little treat. Wow. I could taste the cholesterol. Okay. Yeah, I made egg this morning and I was like, I've got one other review I need to use egg with, but after yesterday I had 2 eggs pop on me, and that was really unfortunate because they're my fancy expensive egg. I will say that my theory, my theory is that if the eggs get too cold or pushed back in the fridge, I think that's an issue. I really don't know for positive or anything, but that's what I'm gonna go with because I think that could be a thing. I think that's about as far as we need to go. I'm trying to think of anything else I have on hand. Crushed red peppers, sausage, egg, scallion. That looks good. That sounds really good. And the noodle's good. I think this all together would work really well. I could do cheese, but I've never seen cheese on Birria ramen, so I'm gonna leave that be. But yeah, spin, spin, spin. Well, thanks for watching. After this one, we're going to launch into a Meet the Manufacturer series. Another one. I'm really stoked. I like kind of rekindled my interest in doing those. They start with an interview, they have the unboxing, and then I just do one a day of all the products they sent. And they sent 2 distinct products and one that's in a different packaging, so I figured 3. I'll do all 3. But this is a company called Moon Food out of Taiwan. They have a Michelin Bib Gourmand award, and they've gotten one for like quite a few years, it sounds like. I'm not exactly sure what that means, but Michelin is usually like, that's a good thing. I've been called the Michelin of instant noodles, so these are cooking noodles, I know, but I don't care. So I'm ready to try these out. This is a spicy sesame and yeah, Taiwanese dry noodle, one of my favorite things in the entire world. So we'll see how these do. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.